Alright, here's my circle. Putting sand in between where the feet are. I forgot to show you that I laid out my ring first. And see. And then I marked where all my patio blocks are going to go, where the feet are. I marked them all around. Now we're going to put a little layer of sand in, pack it, put the blocks down under the feet. So we're going to put a bit of sand in here, a couple more loads, level it out. Okay, a few hours later, I have them all level. I thought it would be better to level them on the ground instead of add the sand, because I thought this is a more stable base. As you can see, I leveled them all, leveled it across that. Then I leveled them in that each direction. This was the last one. This is the last one and the first one. And you can see it's that much out. So that's a 1/16, not an 1/8 of an inch. So we did alright. Now we'll fill us all in with sand. I thought I'd check it across, so I used that big plank, and that's level. Check another couple spots, but that is bang on. If you have a long plank, to chuck it right across. That's good. Now we're going to fill her in with sand. Right, we have some sand in there. We probably have to add more. Here's what I'm going to do now. 2x4 between each one. We're going to level it off. Going to level it off, each one off, and pack them down. Do each one around. Then we'll start in the middle. Okay, I have them all leveled. Now I'm going to pack them and do it again. See, I packed that. You can see it's dropped almost ½ an inch. So I'm going to pack them all and then level them all again. Remember to pack them. Right, we're all done all the way around. I'm going to sweep them off, lay out the track. You can see I have the track around. It's not measured exact yet, it's just around. Now I'm going to rake out this sand. Okay, there it is, all put out exactly. 7.5 radius. I had to adjust it. You can't see, I don't know if you can see, but I had to adjust it a little bit. Put a mark here on the patio block, and then I had it at 5, but I had to move it over to 6, 5.5. Them all at 5.5, and now they're exactly right. So they're not all in the middle of the patio block for some reason, but they're all pretty close. We'll put the side up.